our nation. We honor the memories of the fallen, and we pledge our unwavering commitment to defend the values of freedom and liberty that serve as guideposts for our democracy. On behalf of the men and women of the Department of Defense, thank you, and may God bless America.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to introduce at this time our Chairman and CEO, Frank Siller.
So thank everybody for coming here tonight on this beautiful evening. It is beautiful, right? I mean, just think of what so many men and women did almost 19 years ago. It was one of the saddest days in America, but it was one of the greatest and proudest days in America. So many people came together to try to save so many lives, whether it was at Ground Zero or all over the United States. So I just want to thank you. And Jim, what you do for your brother and keeping his memory alive is just incredible. And I salute you, because I know your love, because I know what that love is. And I'm just proud of what you're doing and to be here tonight and to shine that big, beautiful light. So we always remember. I have my nephew here, Gregory, with his beautiful wife and children. I have another 9/11 family member here.